Yo, so this is some pretty cool stuff, man. We've been checking out here. Uh, these things have been around for quite a long time, longer than what we thought. Talk about a real life story of Planet of the Apes, or giants, or what's that show? King Kong. Look at King Kong there. You know you've seen King Kong, man. Yo. This is real shit. Even the monsters look like the offshoots of the people. Like they look just like them. Like they were an offshoot of them. Like they were a downstep. Like their frequency fell or something, man. And see that guy here? It looks exactly like it. But anyway, see, the thing is, we're supposed to go back to our original state. They're gonna revert back to theirs. But you know, it is what it is, man. Y'all stay up. Horus Ra Amunra here, man. Raw TV. Bring you some exclusive stuff, man. Holla back at your boy. One love.